Oh, you're a bit lopsided, not to worry. Hello, good morning and welcome, a very warm welcome. It's a sunny day, thank the Maker, thank the Lord. I forgot where I was. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Why have I got my reciprocator? I'll show you in a minute. But thanks very much. I'll start again. Hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. Today I'm going to try and do a little bit just in case it starts raining. We haven't had much of a let up from the rain like many others in the world. You know, rain has been constant. It's been the wettest, I think. Anyways, so let's crack on and let's go and see the ducks. So, as you can see, it's a very boggy mess. It's been so much rain, it's unbelievable. The ducks have had a whale of a time. They've been drilling in the clay, which is what ducks do. So I imagine that, well, I don't imagine, I know that I will have to, which I knew I had to do anyway, I will have to concrete or cement all this, because I'm keeping up with all this duck poop and rain and mud is beyond. It's such hard work to keep it clean, to keep it sanitized, to try and keep it as best as I can from bad bacteria that I don't want any of my flock picking up. And as you may know, sort of water and poop is, yes, great as a fertilizer, but it will build up a bacteria. In some cases, like with the bedding and that, it's usually good bacteria if you compost it. There is a however, by the way. However, with it constantly being, you know, it's a slip hazard. It's dangerous. You keep getting stuck in it. And of course, I do want the water to go out, and it is a bit of a struggle. So I have decided to sooner rather than later get it concreted. I have to get it concreted so that I can start on my new build, which will be here, which will be a big shed if you want, but it will house my birds, my flock. Yes. So there we are, that's what I intend to build by here. As soon as I can get that a little bit more as I want it. I'm not so worried about the roof yet, because whereas I would like the roof on, I'm more I'm more concerned with the area here for my birds, you know, and being able to keep it clean. Whereas if the weather is atrocious, if I've got plenty of windows in the shed that I intend to build here, then at least, you know, they can come out in the rain. They can't drill, but then they can get out of it, and it's just going to be better all round. I think. I know it's going to be better for me, because I got quite upset yesterday. It wasn't just a little bit upset. I sort of down tools, and I'm grateful I didn't have the camera on, but I just down tools and went in and cried, because the amount of work for me is it just seems to be never ending with the rain. In the dry weather it's not so bad. You can just scrape the poop out, that's it. There's no foul smell, pardon the pun. There's no bad, nasty mess. It's just you scrape the poop out, put it in a bucket, put it in your compost, and away to go. But with all this rain, it's just sodden. The ducks are drilled. I've got a little river on the go here. Anyways, I gotta go and sort the flock out, check on the goslings, make sure they ain't wherever they don't need to be, and then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing over by there with the compost boxes. I'm going to dismantle it, because the chickens will enjoy scratching through that, so it will keep them occupied, as opposed for to going out in the garden where I'm not really fully ready for them yet, or the ducks, and it's too wet. And if the ducks get out in the garden, they're going to drill everything up, which they did get out. They did do it, and it was just like carnage. I mean, they were like gremlins on speed. They were honestly, and I didn't have the camera on then, more's the pity, but they were just, that upset me as well, because I thought, oh my gosh, they're drilling so much. And it wasn't just drilling, where the geese can go out and they spend all day in the garden, and all they do is they do poop, but they eat the grass, that's it. They have a little drink, have a little swim, and that's it. They don't make a mess. So, but the ducks, they were out there for 2 seconds, they were drilling, all the paddling pool water was absolutely bogging. I just got to try better, that's all. I just got to try better. Anyway, I got to go and check where my goslings are, and the ducks, of course. Catch you in a bit. I've taken some pallets from around there. I've got another one to go, and I will be making a proper mound, but I want the chickens and the ducks to be able to get in there. Perhaps they won't keep drilling on the path, then I know it's not very safe, but for the time being I will put these pallet collars over here until I can get the cement, until my wonderful cousin is available to help, so I can get it all concreted. This should help with some of the mess that the ducks are creating. It's not the little goslings and it's not the chickens, although the chickens will enjoy that. The ducks are the messy ones. Anyway, so I'll crack on and see how I go. I just broke a blade on my reciprocating saw, but that's how it goes. I do have more. So you can see the ducks